Okay, so Carrie's question was that people aren't able to tag or sometimes comment on her business page. All right, so on Facebook, what you're going to want to do is come up here and make sure you are on your business profile. All right, now we're going to click on our business. Well, we don't need to click on our business profile. When you click on our business page. So now that you're here on your business page, and this will look similar if you're on your device as well. So come over here to these three little dots. You're going to click these three little dots, and then you're going to come down here and select Page and Tagging Settings. And then you're going to come through each one of these. But first, it's going to go straight to Page and Tagging Settings. And just make sure that like everyone is selected, that you don't have it only me. Make sure it's everyone. Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. If you want to yourself review anything that before tags are, sorry y'all, my phone. Let me turn the sound off. Okay, so you just want to make sure nothing is set to private. And then come over here also to just the privacy settings. Make sure things are set to public and not private. Public posts. Make sure everything is public. Stories. Reels. This is like if you literally got like journalists contacting you to utilize your business page. And then make sure these are not selected as hidden. So just go through there and check and make sure everything is set to public or everyone, and nothing is set to private or only you. All right, there you go.